In today's episode for my mini series for the new scrapbook.com cardstock, we have the Canvas Cardstock colors, and there are 45 beautiful colors to go through. So if that sounds interesting to you, stick around. Hey crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs, and thanks so much for stopping by today. In today's episode of my mini series where we're going over the new scrapbook.com cardstock collection, we will be looking through the Canvas cardstock, and there are 45 colors for us to check out. And on this one again, these are 80 pound and we have 45 colors to get through, so let's get started. It's kind of difficult, I think, maybe on some colors better than the others, but there is a linen canvas texture on this, and it's subtle, but it's really gorgeous. It's really beautiful. It'll add a nice little texture to your card projects. So here we have, starting with the reds, this is Red Cherry, Firecracker, it's a gorgeous color, Daredevil, Pimento, and then getting into the pinks, we have Coral Rose, Pink Punch, that's so pretty, Sweetie Pie, and Pale Blossom. I love this one. Getting into the oranges, we have Sweet Potato, Mandarin. You can hear my cat snoring. This is so funny. We have the Harvest Orange. And then into the yellows, look at this one. Banana Pepper. That is perfect for banana peppers. Fireflies. Tuscan Sun. And Goldenrod, kind of getting into that mustardy color. And look at how pretty this one is. Limelight, Lime Pop, Mint Julep. I'm still trying to see if we can get a good look at that texture, but we have Grasshopper. So there are the greens. And then getting into the blue greens, we have Spearmint, Sea Foam. They're a little bit, oh yeah, there you go. Finally, look at this one. Aquamarine. I just love those blue gray colors. And Aqua Tint. Those go very nicely together. And then in the greens, we have Parrot, Clover, and Pine Forest. Look how dark this is. That's so beautiful. For the blues, we have Atlantic Shore, Poolside, Madras Blue, Winter Lake. So pretty. Look at this one. How bright. Mosaic Blue. And then Deep Indigo. Absolutely gorgeous. And then for the purples, we have Concord Jam, Plum, Deep Purple, and Grapevine. Absolutely beautiful. All right, then the neutrals, we have Daylily. That's kind of like an off-white. Snowbound, Muslin, Cloak Gray, Charcoal, And then for the browns, we have Cafe au lait, Brown Eyes, Espresso Bean, and Black Magic. So there are 45 colors of the Canvas cardstock, and that is 80 pound again. I will list in the description box and over on my blog the bundle pack for this. They have been sold out, so make sure you put your name on the notify list so they'll notify you when that does come back in stock. But if there's any individual color that you are absolutely in love with, you can purchase those right now, and they come in a 12 by 12 sheet. So those are available to you. If you've enjoyed this walkthrough today for the Canvas cardstock, I would love it if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing to my channel. And make sure you hit that notification bell so that when I post any additional videos in this mini series for the scrapbook.com cardstock, you'll be notified for that and you can check it out. If you want to hang around till the end, I will put there my playlist of these of this mini series for the cardstock collection, and I'll also put there my card making playlist so you can check out any card inspiration and when I make anything with this new cardstock, that will be there. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye bye.